Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off the camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, there is no option in the settings to disable the camera shutter sound of your Samsung phone. The only way you can disable the camera shutter sound is to disable the system sound of your Samsung phone. For that, just press the volume up or the volume down button, then tap on the three dots on the volume bar. And from here, just disable the system sounds. And once you do that, you will turn off the camera shutter sound on your Samsung phone. Just like that. But this method is not really convenient. Now, if you want to automate this action, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Modes and Routines. Now, at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Add Mode. Just tap on it. And from here, just give a name for your custom mode. For an example, I will name my custom mode Camera Shutter Sound. Now just select an icon for your custom mode, and from here you can select a color for your custom mode. And once you do that, then tap on Done. Now on this page, just tap on Turn On Automatically and select App Opened. And from this app list, just select the camera app. Then tap on Done. Now once you select the camera app in the Turn On Automatically section, just tap on Done. Now for the next step, just tap on Other Actions and select Sound Mode and Volume. And from here, just set the system sound to 0 and tap on Done. Now just select Done. Now what we have basically done is that we have created a custom focus mode which will turn on automatically when we open the camera app. And the action that it will take is that it will set the system sound to 0 as we open the camera app. Now let's check if it is working or not. Now let's go to the home screen. Now from here, let's increase the system sound to 100%. And if we open the control center, as you can see in the mode section, nothing is enabled. But as we open the camera app, and if we open the control center, as you can see in the mode section, the custom mode that we have created is turned on. And if we capture a photo, as you can see, the system sound is turned off. And if we go to the home screen and check the system sound, as you can see, the system sound is on 100%. And this is how you can turn off the camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.